Do you hate it when you lose a screw? You're taking something apart and you lose one of the screws, drop it on the carpet, especially one of those little ones? Well, I have the hack for you. Just take a magnet and use that for your screws. You can stick all your screws to the magnet and the magnet will hold on to them so you don't lose any of the screws. And then they'll be there when you need them. You can even use the magnet to pick the screws up, because sometimes they're indented in and hard to remove once you've unscrewed them. And you can use that to pick the screws out from the holes. Yeah. And you can use multiple magnets if you have different types of screws. To separate your different screws, you can use a different magnet for each set of screws. And so make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe if you think this is a useful hack.